his car fast.
Delicioso.
On the TikTok, I'd be like.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to the meet that started it all. This is the meet that I went to and I recorded my first ever YouTube video. Alright, we fucking made it. Fucking made it, boys. Oh shit. Man, what the plan, man?
It don't really look like shit in here. No, I think so. But it's intake boxes. Got TGV, EGR, intake, coil rad, radiator, ECS front mount, catless downpipe.
What the fuck? What up, baby? That's good. Ooh, this bit clean. This you?
Yeah.
Nah.
My pop shit.
For real?
Yeah. That my shit is not working on it.
For real? What happened?
I'm doing the motor.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but this one's been my daily for a minute.
This shit clean. Nismo over there. They put me on the other side, man. They did me dirty. They greased me. Right hand drive. Ooh, they got the RS3 rolling in. God damn. This fender. Fastest tubing in Central Florida, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a family.
My boy got the.
WRS on
Oh, them shits is low. Oh damn, this one from Clean Culture.
Looks bad.
But we can work this like a 9 to 5.
Let's see. Was you supposed to race this nigga too?
Yeah, I raced him one time.
He won?
Nah, he beat me. What's that, a spider?
Yeah, MR2. This nigga bugging, this nigga sound like straight loud. Yeah, I know they don't care. Damn, I like the color on those. Oh shit. Hella swap G, nigga. Oh shit. Fast guy. Big boy turret. Static boys.
Fire in here for it.
That nigga dumb.
You gotta have something to go with the vibe, man. This is the only way I can keep this car fast. You bought that from there?
Nah,
bring it to me.
Miguel brought it down. Nigga eating
Delicioso.
Miguel made you that?
Yeah.
I don't like mine good.
What's up, Nick?
No, I'm good, I'm good.
Delicioso.
This nigga here. You got right. Nah, they gave us the umbrella and everything.
Yeah, that shit look crazy.
Se lo diste a todo el mundo y no me lo diste a mí. Dice.
Good.
Yo, I haven't seen you in a minute, man.
Word, long time no see. Old dumbass girl. Yeah, it took 10 years, man. with the big body.
He's so annoying.
Thought the shit was black.
God, it's great. I told you it's not black.
It's open.
Okay, okay, okay.
How it taste?
Yo, when you never seen something.
Go ahead, shoot one more.
Oh my God!
Oh, God. Wow.
You about to walk around with that shit.
Facts. Let's go.
Nah, not my twin.
What's up?
Good. What's up, man? Chilling. My twin. Oh shit. One Jay-Z swap.
Damn, yeah, sister just texted me too. What up, what up?
What's up? Chilling, bro.
Shit. You was this cold before.
Damn, seat moved all the way up.
Look at this. You gotta drive
Oh, you be driving like that? Grandma style.
how that works.
Ooh, a bit cleaner.
It's nice.
5 foot tall driving this big ass car. Yeah. Looking like a dwarf.
Look how it looks. Look.
And that's wraps, ladies and gentlemen. The meet is over. Time to go to fuck home. Take your ass to fucking.
Bye.
Oh, now you going bowling.
Going bowling, I'm about to be like this.
Fuck that.
Or like this.
Fuck that. I'm taking my black ass
Fuck
home.
that. Yeah, take his black ass home. Yo, I'm not sure if that's aiming at me.
Yeah, it should be. Alright, I'm out of here.
Alright, my TikTok is Alizé, ALYZEG.
I bet. I'm not
Add
gonna
me
cut
on
none of this out. Don't worry.
Add me on everything. On the TikTok, I be like,
Don't worry. I'm not gonna cut this out.
oh,
No free clout. No, I'm just playing. I'm just abusive.
as fuck.
See, yeah, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling foggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.